The Igbos of the eastern part of Nigeria, of the West African part of Africa, has such a great quality for impeccability for their Nze and ozor. One has to reach this impeccability before they attain the Nze and ozor title. Nwanshi dwarf were the custodians of Igbo belief in the cult of Godman, revered ancestors otherwise called Nze, Ozor, Ichie, Nnanna. For to take the ozor title in Igbo land is known as Imammo, which is knowing or seeing the spirit, while the collective spirit of those who have taken the ozor title are called Ichie, the great divine ancestors, who are supposed to have joined the rank of gods even while still living among men. Ozor titled men and women are required by tradition of the Igbos to be faultless, for they must never tell a lie, cheat, commit any act of injustice against any human being, for they must live in a state of sinlessness or impeccability. For it is only through this way that they are able to live and function like oracles and trusted judges to the tribes. For this history of the Igbos were also noted by ancient sailors, which by the name Ambulus, who tend to have described the Punts as men of honorable character, that the Mesopotamians who came to the land of the Punts 2,000 years ago called the island the Blessed Island, while the ancient Egyptians who came to the land of the Nwanshi called it the land of the Janus. For there were reports that said that the Greeks who were soon to enter Egypt would hear about the Punts or the Panchians and build great legends of stories around them. It was known that the ancient Igbos were the only ones who had a homegrown democracy in the ancient times, and that democracy was given to the modern world via Greece. For Igbo Nze phenomenon is a definition of Igbo democracy, can be perhaps paraphrased as Igbo, the nation of democrats. The Nag Hammadi calls it the kingless generation.